Here are the 4 factors that homeowners should consider prior to fixing their home if they plan on selling. The first factor is time. If you've never done any major project in your life before, it can be a lot. Getting a different quote, communicating with the contractor, waiting for the work to be done, and overseeing everything all take more time than what people may realize. Second factor is money. So budgeting for repair and upgrade is critical. Beyond the cosmetic change, there might be unexpected expenses that arise as you address the underlying issue. So having a very realistic budget to prevent you from the financial surprise. Also, make sure to get a different quote from different vendor as the price can vary greatly. Third factor is effort. So going with the do-it-yourself route can be very rewarding, but it might consume a lot of your time and energy. So make sure to prepare for the effort required, whether it is decluttering your room or overseeing contractor for those repairs. And the fourth factor is the unknown. So no home is without its mystery. While you address your property, you might uncover the hidden issue that you never expected before. So it's very crucial to account for the unexpected and have a contingency plan in place. So, if you have any question whether the project that you're about to carry on for your home is worth it or not, shoot me a message. I create a home value report and also to a local property